You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is at 46.5k level at this area. On the 4-hour chart, I was looking at the market coming to the upside in form of retracement, and the market go right here above this very trend line. And also on ETH right here, we've seen the market move straight up and create a bullish candle that close above all this bullish candle here, which is very important. And also on the 4-hour chart, we've seen the market right at this area of resistance. And then on the Bitcoin dominance, we've been seeing the market go right down. I was expecting the market pause here before we see the next move to the upside, but the market keep continue to the downside. So what are we still expecting right now in the market in the next coming days? So all of these and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right here on the BTC USDT 1-day chart, I was looking at this area that the market is going to retrace to this level, and I said a breakout of this level to the downside will send the market back down to this very level of resistance that will turn support if the market break out on this very level of resistance, which is support right here to the downside. And what we see right here is a rejection to the upside, and market tends to go to the upside right now. So what I am expecting is the market to come back down a little bit to retest on this level before we see the market move up again. And still yet, if we see the market go below this very level of support right now to the downside, then we are going to still see the market come back down into this very level of resistance that will turn support at this level. So if a breakdown happen here with a bearish close, it will be very bad for Bitcoin to the downside. So right now, I am still expecting for the bulls to take control of the market. We should be above this 44 and 45k level on BTC right now. And on the 4-hour chart right here, I was looking at the market going back to the upside in form of a retracement, maybe retest this very resistance, that is this trend line right here, which was support at this area, and then resistance, but the market come back up a little bit above this very trend line to the upside. And if you look at it right here, this very level of resistance on this area is now support. So this very level of support right here is now resistance for the market at this very area. So what I am looking out for right now is the market to come back down a little bit before we see the next move in the market. If we see this move that will come into the market very soon go below this very area of support, then that means market is going to go down. So until we see a fail swing, which is what I'm still looking out for in the market, then we are still going to go back down in the market. So a fail swing will help the market to move to the upside. So this is a retracement. I want the market to come back right down to retest this level or have a fail swing before the next move to the upside. ETH USDT 1-day chart right here, you see the market retrace back down. That is what I was expecting, and I said if you see a breakdown below this level of support to the downside, then that means market is going to go right down to this very level of support, that is the 2.9k at this very area right here. And right now what we see is the market move up a little bit and create a new high that close above every other close within this very area of resistance. This is also a sign that the bulls are very strong in the market and they are willing to move the market to the upside. So I want the market to move a little bit to the downside, maybe coming to retest this level of support before we could see the market move up again. The probability of market moving from this area is there, but if we see the market move up from this area, then we're not going to see much move from the bulls to the upside, because the bears is going to definitely take control and move the market slightly to the downside. On the ETH USDT 4-hour chart at this very area, one thing very important as well you need to take advantage of is I was talking about this area and I was looking at the market coming to retest on this very line of resistance, which is also support at this very area. And right now market break through it and come to this very area of resistance. And I said if you see a breakout on this resistance, because that was what I was paying attention to, at this very level where the market is right now is a very important level. So if you see a breakout on this resistance, this also means that the market have high tendency of going back to the upside on the 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. So what you should be expecting right now is the market to come back down. I am expecting the market to come back down in form of a retracement, have a phase swing, will aid the market to go back up again and break this level of resistance. Markets also have the tendency of breaking this level without coming back down. So if you see a breakout with a significant bullish candle that close above every other candle within this area, mean that market is going to move from this level of resistance to the upside. So this is what I am paying attention to right now, because ETH is at a very critical level at this very area right at the moment. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, I was looking at the market pause at this very area before we see the next move in the market, and I said if we see a pause and we see the next move in the market, we're going to see ETH move to the upside and also BTC move to the upside as well. But right here, what we are seeing is the market keep going right down, and there is a little bit of momentum on ETH than we see right here on BTC. Now for Bitcoin is going to come back down this very area to the downside, but ETH right now, since on the Bitcoin dominance, when we see a major breakout on support and market keep going down, it's always good for altcoin compared to BTC on the Bitcoin dominance. And right now, if we see a pause and market begin to move to the upside, Bitcoin is going to move to the upside compared to what we're going to see on ETH. So what you need to pay attention to on the Bitcoin dominance is we want to see the market pause its downward move and begin to move to the upside. Significant bullish candle and an increase in volume from this area where the market is right now. If we continue to see the market move right down and break below this very support, it's going to be very, very bad for Bitcoin. So this is what I am looking out for right now on the Bitcoin dominance in relation to ETH and BTC. What do you think about the market on Bitcoin right now? Do you think this analysis technically is going to go right down, or do you think the market is going to just fly to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do a registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.